moody again. Just a quick one, I think, today. They give out thunderstorms, so I'm just catching the weather while I can. My phone's saying about an hour, so I'm not going to be going very far. So I'm just having a little potter around. I was hoping to get out yesterday, but the weather was horrible. The weather was horrible. That doesn't sound right, does it? I was hoping to get out yesterday, but the weather was horrible. That's better. So I didn't bother. I couldn't get out Friday. I had stuff on, so it's a little bit today, I'm afraid. I saw a few. Oh, crikey! I saw a few. Give me a minute. I saw a few of you went to the ABR festival. That looked good. Looked really good. I saw the vlog from Tins on Tour, and they went out on the terrains. So that was pretty good. I don't understand it. The weather's really nice at the moment. It keeps going dull and then the sun comes out again. But I don't know where these storms are coming from. No idea where these storms are coming from. Thought I'll have a little potter for half an hour or so. Doesn't seem too busy. Anyway, what have you been up to? And I say this every time, what have you been up to? Let me know in the comments. I'll give one of my subscribers a shout out, Dave. Now, Dave contacted me last year, and he'd recognised where I was basically, and he knew what routes I was taking, and he said he was planning to get a bike himself. Well, he did. So yesterday, Dave got himself a Yamaha, I think it's XSR. And he's messaged me this morning, it's been out already. So hopefully I'll meet up with Dave at some point. So that was really cool to hear off somebody local. Yeah, so good luck to Dave, his new bike. You know what? I'm not sure I've ever been around this bit of town on my bike yet. I normally get out of town. I'm just not going very far today, so town it is. Pothole City, unfortunately. I reported these potholes around here over 2 years ago, and I got an email last year saying they were looking into it. Yeah, looking into the hole. Yeah, amazing. Well, this is the beautiful town of Stafford in Staffordshire, UK. For those who haven't clocked where I am anyway. And although I say it myself, regardless of the potholes, I like it. It's a small town and I like it, although it is getting bigger. They're building housing estates all around it, but regardless, it's still a small town and I like it. I'm really close to the countryside. Anywhere in Stafford, you know, you're 5-10 minutes from the countryside, so that's nice. And I've got cramp again. Oh, I have got cramp. Yeah, so this is Stafford. And I really like it. I really like Stafford. I've lived here all my life. I've lived here all my life. I've not always worked here. I work in Stafford now, but I've worked out of Stafford. Worked in Birmingham for quite a few years. And I don't like cities. I really don't like cities. To your right is Stafford Prison, famous for having Rolf Harris as a customer. Yep, there is Rolfie, stayed there for a while. I don't actually know where I'm going, but this is quite an old part of Stafford we're coming in now. It's an old area. I don't know where I'm going. I've got an indicator on to go straight on, love. Is she going left or is she going straight on again? Oh, she's going left. Well done. Royal Enfield, I like them. Well, Stafford is also, is it famous for it? I don't know, but we have a very large military base. It used to be an RAF camp, but now it's army. I know the Gurkhas are based here. Back when I was struggling talking again. Back when I was a kid, they used to have air shows at Stafford, and my dad loved planes, and we used to go to air shows. Lucky enough, this one was on our doorstep. I remember seeing the Vulcan bomber for the first time here as a kid, with that howl. It was amazing. Amazing machine. This is the area I took my CBT in. Oh dear. In a minute we should go past the military base I told you about. Potholes. Right, just coming up to your left is the entrance to MOD Stafford. There's a nice Harrier on the gate if you can see it. It's a big site. it's gone dull again. The sun's gone in again. I think we might have that storm coming, like they said. It's very cloudy. It was lovely earlier, so I won't be out for long, people. And we have a castle, and I will show you my teeth, and I will show you the castle at some point. Hospital to the right. No, little tour, isn't it? Yeah, so sorry it's a short one today. I don't know how long. It could be really short by the time I've edited all the rubbish out. Or I'll just leave my stuttering and slurred words in. A few bikes out today, getting the nods. Where are you going? I knew she was going to do that. Look, she's in the wrong lane. He's on his phone. And as you can see, I go the middle lane. Is he going to cut me up? No, he's not. That little building there used to be attached to a pub. It's an old lockup, and they found it when they knocked a pub down. And it's a bit of a sore point with locals. The pub was called the White Lion, and they were supposed to knock it down and rebuild it somewhere else when they built this bypass. And when they were knocking it down, they found that old lockup, so they kept that. And because the pub was so old, they should have rebuilt it, and they didn't, because the council claimed that they lost it. How can you lose a pub? They lost it. No one knows what happens to it. We've never found out, so that's a very sore point to a lot of people. Really old, nice looking old pub. And the clouds are coming in, so I'm going to head home. I don't want to get caught in a thunderstorm, and the wind's getting up as well. Mad, isn't it? 1 minute it's lovely sunshine, then it's disappeared, it's cloudy and it's gone. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody. Have a good rest of your day. Ride safe if you are out and about, and I hope the weather's better for you, and see you next time. Thanks a lot. Ta-ra.